That is an amateur knife produced in Turkey from Gökhan, Master Gökhan.
I'm not a master.
The grip is out of beech, the Latin name.
Ulmus glabra.
Ulmus glabra. And the blade is out of file 1095 carbon steel.
Yes, maybe the W2. I don't know.
But he gave it to the oven. How you can say?
Yes, this.
Let's show here. Oraya göstereyim gel. I found him
fork.
So his amateur atelier. Fırının adı ne İngilizce?
Ne? Fırın mı?
Oven mi?
Fork.
That is fork here. He blows oxygen or air, simple air, not oxygen. And here produces this here.
This is my file.
This new product. He will make the blade out of this file, and he hits it here. It's self-made place. So mitten in Ankara.
Yes.
Very amateur, but amateur like a master. That are his tools. Yes. And here you can. Yağ mı sokuyorsun?
Bu su için kullanıyorum.
For water.
Bunu yağ ısıtıyorum.
This oil. So that's his land house. In Ankara, and right there is my apartment over there. And I met him here very suddenly as I wanted to make a video on Victorinox pocket knife saws. Thank you very much. Follow us, we will bring more videos about Master Gökhan.
I'm not master.
Bye. Okay, thank you very much. So,
bütün diğer yaptığım bıçakların şeyleri, fotoğrafları bilgisayarımda. Hani onu verebilirim.
Bir şey yapabiliriz. Evet.
Çünkü bunlar bir şey değil yani.
That is out of Silversteel. He will make like something like a puukko. Let's see what.
Maybe this is puukko.
That is puukko, but that is Silversteel here. That is file.
This is the Silversteel also.
This is also Silversteel. And here is something for skinning, or you can use it as well as neck knife, or for skinning, or razor sharp.
I'm going to use for skinning.
For skinning.
Slaughtering.
Yes. That's like said out of file. So. Tamam. Kapatayım mı abi? Var mı da?
Bu da Silversteel'in round var.
And he has here Silversteel round. He will produce some knives also out of it.
This is fun.
Okay, bundan mı yapıldı?
Evet.
That is out of this round Silversteel.
11 millimeter.
That's here 11 millimeter square. Square mi oluyordu o? Tamam.
Çap mı bilmiyorum.
Evet.
Bir de kullanmıyor.
Okay. Thank you very much. A very quick knife production from Gökhan. Now he burns on the oven. That's the first step. So here he controls with his foot the electricity of this motor here, which blows the air in the oven for heating. So we are adding coal to the oven. That's the second step. So we are trying to take away the sulfur from the coal, coal. To make it very quick, we covered it. Normally we don't cover, but we covered it to get it easier and faster. Master Gökhan, he will
11 mm Silversteel.
He will produce out of this Silversteel 11 mm Silversteel, a little puukko for me, and he says you will produce, but he's joking. He will produce, and I will hold a little bit so, and then I produced it.
By the way, I want to explain something. I am not a master. I just started this.
Yeah, for me, you are master. How long? For how long do you make knives?
Maybe a few months.
A few months. Okay, thank you. But I've seen his. I will show his knives. What he produced. It's excellent. Already excellent.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God. Okay. I'll quit till the next step. So the silver stick.
400 oldu şimdi.
It's like 400
Düşüyor.
degrees.
Düşüyor.
It was 600 before. It's, you see. And which temperature we try to reach, Gökhan? Hangi?
850 around.
Yes, we will try
Or
to reach
900.
or 900.
If we goes up from this degree, tanecik büyümesi denen bir şey var ama İngilizce bilmiyorum.
The particles will be too big. Too big, and then it's not so good. It's a break earlier than it's bricky.
Bu renk mesela 750'lerde işte yani 700
250 750 700 degrees at this stage.
Ya bunu renge göre ortalama söylüyorum yani kesin.
He says it looking to the color, all of his experience. But it goes very quick, Çok hızlı oluyor. Because of the coal. So yeah, energy, high energy.
Hiç demir dövmüş müydün?
Küçükken bir vurmuştum galiba. Süleyman amca komşu demirciydi. Ay beceremem yani.
Şimdi sapını yapıyoruz ilk önce.
That's handle piece. Now I'm working.
Tamam dur. Biraz da. Bunu uzatacağız böyle anladın mı?
Tamam abi.
Tamam.
Kapat. Now
900 bin.
900
Ama
till
düşüyor çok
1000 degrees.
Çekemedim.
Çekti aldı. It was very decreases very quick. Now about 800 degrees.
İşte düşüyor renklere göre.
You can see it from the color. That's the fire. Over 1000 degrees.
Tabi bu dereceleri biz şey olarak söylüyoruz yani farazi konuşuyoruz şu an.
Now the handle stick is ready and we are jumping to the blade itself. That's Silversteel. Now the blade is the brutto blade is ready. We will cut it up and then work
Fork again.
Fork again. Now he's giving the grind, the edge of the knife without grinding, with forking. The edge with forking. It will be a chisel, puukko.
Puukko'lar çisel olmaz. Genelde skande olur ama biz değişik bir şey yapıyoruz.
That's a new version. It's an invention. Chisel puukko.
Çisel puukko.
Ala Gökhan Usta.
Çırak ne demek?
Assistant diyelim hadi bakalım. Assistant. I am assistant. Not him. It's me the assistant. So he's forging the other side. Now it's moving. The curve is moving back now. At this stage, the blade.
Tamam. Şimdi daha sonra biraz.
So at this stage, that's the knife at this stage.
Ben yaparken gözüküyor istersen.
He's grinding now the blade, which he forged before. The Puukko knife. Gökhan. what will we give for a name? give a name to this knife.
Freestyle.
Freestyle Puukko. Huh?
No, freestyle.
Freestyle. Okay, freestyle. Biterse bozulur abi. Kapatayım sonra açalım. So friends, that's the stage what the blade reached. It will now grind it further more and then hardened. And that's wood, beech wood, very hard wood and light hard wood. I will tell you, probably you know. So that's the freestyle produced blade in cooperation with Gökhan Usta and turkishnifes.com. We will show you the further developments after the holidays in Turkey around in 2 weeks. Thank you.
İlk önce normalizasyon yapacağız.
So friends, we are going on with the knife making from the week before. Now we'll quenching. The first step is normalization. It's called normalization. Gökhan, my friend.
Bunu 900 derece ısıtacağız, kor haline getireceğiz.
Evet.
Sonra oda ısı, yani burada soğutacağız. Bunu 1-2 kere yapacağız.
Tamam.
Böylece içerisindeki şeyler homojen olacak yani.
Tamam.
Anladın mı?
Tamam.
Baştan çevirelim.
Tamam, seni almıyor. So we are making quenching, like that.
But first normalization
process. Warming up to 900 degrees. The blade is already in the charcoal. So that will be made a couple of times, and then after each time it will be cooled in the air. Huh?
Yes.
Air cooling.
Yes.
To get a homogeneous particles on the blade.
Yes.
Homogeneous. Okay. Süper ya. Süper. Süper abi.
Why we are doing at the night time? Because we need to see the color changes.
Okay. On the blade.
Yes. If you do in a daytime, you cannot see the color changes.
So you cannot guess the temperature.
Yes. Also, the all blades surface must be same color. If color changes, bükülebilir yani.
Okay. To get the blade homogeneous like that.
Homogen temperature must.
That's
it must be homogen.
That's not homogen. No. İçeri duruyor. Senin ne yazdılar? Okudun mu? Bazıları Almanca yazıyor.
Anlamadım ki.
They are some people who watch this. They wrote that they learned from our video.
Really?
That's very nice. I was happy to read this.
They learn how to make.
Yes. I mean, if they have a backyard, it's not a very great thing to make such a system. Huh? He can manage somehow, and he can learn. It's a good hobby. I mean, he doesn't need to become a master also, but he can make a knife for himself, and then make a present for his friends. It's a good thing, yeah.
Now more homogen.
It's like more homogen, the blade.
Okay.
You can see it, he said, Gökhan said, you can see it from the cooling. At the cooling stations you can see the homogeneity.
Okay. Okay. People can use for quenching water, air, and some oil. 3 different type.
Which oils, for example?
There are some specific oils for this,
Okay.
but some vegetable oils can be used also. Water can be very hard, but can be easily break. Then menevşin İngilizcesi neydi?
Temper, to temper.
Temper. Very important after the quenching process. Some steels needs to cool in air.
I see.
This silver steel good for water. If I find, yes. Now fine.
I see. It's homogeneous enough.
Now I'm putting here. Then cooling
For
slowly.
cooling.
I will do that 2 times or 3 times.
Okay.
This is first step of quenching.
Okay. Super. We will make the quenching. Must be done very suddenly, very quick.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Çok görünmüyor ama. Here now is in water, huh? That's water.
Biraz bekletiyoruz kırılma olmasın.
We are waiting.
Şimdi sürpriz an. Çıkarıyoruz. Bıçağımız bakayım.
Now, how?
Abi mükemmel.
It's perfect.
Hiç yamulma yok. Görüyor musun? İşte bu normalizasyondan dolayı böyle.
That is very straight because the heat on the blade was very homogeneous.
Yes.
Otherwise, it would be now with curves and so not homogeneous.
Yes. Understood.
No, so.
Perfect. Şimdi test yapıyoruz.
No, we will test.
Beni çekme.
Seni çekmiyorum. How to test? Now we will.
Bir kapat abi. Öbür tarafa.
Now
This is file, normal file. Şimdi bak, tutmuyor. Yani talaş kaldırmıyor. Kayıyor.
It's not possible to file the blade. That means it is hard.
Yes.
That
Try.
means.
Please try.
The file cannot grip the blade.
Yes.
That means the blade is hard enough now.
Harder than file.
Harder than file.
Yes.
That's obwohl here is yes. Although it is file,
Yes.
cannot
This
grip.
file maybe 60 Rockwell.
Rockwell. That means that is
61 maybe.
Minimum 61.
But after the temperization, it will blow down some.
Okay.
Understood.
Because it will become elasticity.
Yeah.
That's the temperature.
Anladım, düşecek.
Okay. Because now the particles become very little, so very hard. Because of the tempering, it will
Temperen şey yapacak. Bigger olmayacak.
Not bigger.
Sadece biraz düşecek şeyi.
The hardness
düşecek.
Will be
elastik olacak biraz daha.
Decrease, so it will become an elasticity, so that it won't break quickly.
Yes. Kapatayım burayı.
Şuraya. You can see the hardness of the blade.
Bak, kazıyor.
You see?
Gördün mü?
It's cutting this amboss or what's that? You see the shining here place line.
Ve burada hiçbir şey yok.
And here on the blade is nothing.
Yes.
The blade makes this shining surface here.
Yes.
You can see how hard the blade is now.
Baksana.
No,
Bak hiçbir şey yok.
No gimmick. No joke.
Perfect bıçak oldu gerçekten.
I'm so happy. So friends, we reached today the last stage of hardening and tempering of the blade. We scratched it, hardened it, so with tempering, and the system for tempering was in the kitchen oven. I put it in the kitchen oven at 150 grade Celsius for 1.5 hours, 45 minutes this on this side and 45 minutes on this side to become it even. Now it's tempered and become, after scorching and getting hard till 61, minimum 61 hardness. Now it fell down like 59 or 58. Now it become elasticity. So the next stages we need only to grind the blade, make it sharp and polish it and make the grip. The main blade is ready now. We need only, how I said, to grind it and make a handle. So follow us, we will show it in the next week also, the next steps. And that are very delicious fruits, apple from Gökhan's garden, Landhaus garden. That is either, it's from the family of olives, but you can peel it. So I will show you. Peel it. It's like sandy and sweet here. It's like powder and sweet. I will eat it now. And you see, here's a stone here, like dates or olives. It's an olive from the olive family, but sweet. That's autumn fruit of Turkey. I'm sure that's somewhere else as well. They make of the flowers of this. They make perfumes. Very nice. A very famous one. I forgot the name. Maybe I will tell you later. So that is our fruits of work, fruits of the garden. The blade. Oh. Thank you very much. So hello friends, we are proceeding with the production of the knife. So above is a little plan how the knife should be. So we will begin with cutting and grinding of the blade. First time our friend Gökhan is in vision on turkishnifes.com. He will now grind the blade, cut the blade with the grinder, and let's see how will the blade take a form. Now, before we are grinding, we will test if the temperization was successful. So we will make a test, a brick test. So what happened?
Hiçbir şey olmadı.
Nothing happened.
Tamam.
So
Devam
it is,
edebiliriz.
we can go on, continue with production. We are now grinding the stick, the handle stick. Now we are cutting the brass bolster for the grip, little between the grip and the blade. It's down there. Kaldır ama onu. Kapat. Sıcak. One. So that will the brass for handle grip. So Yes, that's the formation. Okay. So, okay, thank you. Kapatayım. Kapatayım. Now the preparation of the brush sheet. Preparation for the blade. Everything handmade. Now we have the two holes in the brass for the handle. I will cut down with file down the in the brass like this.
Dur abi bunu bir sabitleyelim de.
Tamam. Sen çektiğiniz bu kadar yeter zaten. Kırmızıya basalım. Flat grind oluyorlar değil mi abi? Flat grind. Secondary grind'e vereceğiz.
Yıkacağız ya. Nasıl yapabiliriz?
We are giving the secondary grind after the flat grind.
Normally those things must be done before quenching process, but we are not masters. After the quenching, after the temperization, we are doing this, and for not heating the blade, I'm using the water.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Tabii daha çok çalışmamız gerek.
Şimdi, now a cutting test. We must say that the blade didn't get the last grind, but now we make a cutting test.
And there is no handle. I cannot
Press, push, very good. Wow. You see? Tamam. Tamam. So now we grinded the blade and the brass. We prepared the brass, and now we are sticking in the handle, and you can see the shape of the blade. Now the next step is to fill the grip with epoxy. It will wait the night long, and tomorrow we will make the final work. Thank you very much. Thank you, Gökhan. Master Gökhan.
You're welcome. I'm not master.